Hello! Are you learning English? Learning a new language can feel hard, but it can be easy and fun too. Welcome to my channel. Here, I tell simple stories in English. I speak very slowly and clearly. This is perfect for you if you are just starting. My videos are very short, only 3 minutes long. You can listen to them every day. You have 2 great ways to learn. Listen in the background. You can cook, walk, or clean, and just listen to my stories. Look at the screen, watch the video, and read the words. You will hear the word and see how to write it at the same time. This helps your brain remember fast. Just 3 minutes a day can change your English. Step by step, you will understand more and more. You can do it. Subscribe to my channel today. Let's listen, read, and learn English together every day. Listen to my stories every day. Do you understand everything? Maybe no, but do not stop. It is okay if you do not understand all the words. Your brain is very smart. It is always learning. When you listen, your ears learn the sounds of English. Every day, you will understand better and better. You will hear new words and remember them. Think about this. Only 3 minutes a day. In 6 months, you will see a big change. You will know many new words to talk with people. You will go to a new level. You will read and write in English. Learning English is a journey, step by step. You are a winner. Subscribe to my channel today. Let's learn English together.